Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a fascinating exploration of the extraordinary world of ChatGPT, the brainchild of OpenAI. In this captivating YouTube video, we will dive deep into the captivating realm of artificial intelligence, unraveling the mysteries and possibilities behind ChatGPT. Have you ever wondered how computers can engage in natural, human-like conversations? How an AI can understand and respond to your questions, thoughts, and even carry on meaningful discussions? Look no further, as we embark on an exhilarating journey into the inner workings of ChatGPT, an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. Throughout history, the field of artificial intelligence has made remarkable strides. But ChatGPT, based on the powerful GPT 3.5 architecture, stands out as a groundbreaking achievement. With its vast knowledge and ability to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses, ChatGPT has redefined the boundaries of human-computer interaction. Imagine having an AI companion that can provide you with accurate information on any topic, guide you through complex tasks, or even engage in lighthearted banter. ChatGPT has been trained on an extensive range of data, allowing it to offer valuable insights, answer questions, and spark your imagination like never before. But the applications of ChatGPT go beyond simple conversation. From assisting in customer support and generating creative content to aiding in language translation and powering virtual assistants, this AI marvel has the potential to revolutionize industries across the globe. Don't just take our word for it, companies and developers worldwide have already integrated ChatGPT into their platforms and services. From personalized shopping recommendations to enhancing productivity, ChatGPT is transforming the way we interact with technology. But how does ChatGPT actually work? What are the mechanisms that make it tick? Fear not, as we'll break down the complex algorithms and methodologies behind ChatGPT, shedding light on its training process and the underlying principles that make it such an intelligent conversationalist. By following our step-by-step breakdown, you'll gain a clear understanding of how ChatGPT leverages the power of deep learning, natural language processing, and vast amounts of data to simulate human-like conversations with impressive accuracy and coherence. So, join us on this captivating adventure into the realm of ChatGPT. Unlock the secrets of its capabilities, witness its real-world applications, and gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible potential of artificial intelligence in shaping the future of human-computer interaction. Subscribe now to our channel and embark on this awe-inspiring journey into the world of ChatGPT. Prepare to be amazed.